Hello guys, this is AB from PickJordan23.cn and PickJordan23.net. If you guys are interested in our items, don't forget to contact us. Skype, Kick, Wechat, or TPP. And you can search our website to place your order. Also, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I will keep more review to share, guys. Okay. And you can see I changed the background. That will be more beautiful, right? Okay, now, and today I want to show you guys the Off-White X Nike Dunk Low. Okay, now let me show you. First, you can check the side. The big green logo here. And 1, 2, 3, 4 holes. Check. Yeah. And then the car. The lace is very special design. Okay, now check the top box. The tongue. Okay, another side. Off-White for Nike Dunk Low. This word. Okay, and the back. Check the back. The insole. Okay, show you the insole. Yeah. And the button, green button. Okay, just a short review to show you guys the Off-White X Nike Dunk Low. Yeah, also come with the shoes box here. The label. Yeah. Okay. So if you guys are interested in those items, please feel easy to contact us. Skype, Kick, Wechat, or TPP. I'm Amy. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.